Hi there, I'm Lisa Arana and welcome to another Assemble This video. Today it's all about Positivi-TEA and we're playing with this brand new Gimme the Tea stamp set from Unity Stamp Company. So let's get started assembling this card with this really pretty stencil accent for our tea lovers out there. This card comes together really quickly, starting with some craft cardstock, some die cut pattern papers using the Decal and Stitches die. Plus, I've stamped the tea bag and the sentiment Positivity on some pattern paper as well. We're going to start out by stenciling on this die cut layer. I did shorten the tea bag. I masked off the top of that long string because I wanted it to fit on my smaller panel, which is a great way to stretch your stamps. And then I just stenciled over the top with this really pretty stencil pattern. I am using Gina K ink in craft. It is a really pretty color, especially if you're stamping on craft cardstock. And then once I was done stenciling and ink blending that on, I'm just going to ink blend the edges and then also ink blend all my stamped elements. This is the top of that tea bag and I stamped my Positivity sentiment right in the center. I'm going to add a little bit more of that stenciled accent right over the tag. And then I'm also going to ink blend just around the bottom of my stamped tea bag as well. Just going to add a little bit more dimension to that stamped image and to add a little bit of shading to that tea bag that I stamped on pattern paper. Next up, we just need to fussy cut everything out. These are so easy to fussy cut. Really, it takes just seconds. I did cut along the line, so that really does make it super simple. Now let's just layer everything up. I love these deckled edges of the dies. I picked some pretty pattern paper and layered them up. Added a bow before I'm going to add my final die cut layer. I just wrap the string around 3 times and then tie it into a bow and fiddle with it till I'm happy. Added a bit of foam tape to the back of my featured layer. And then I did do some wonky angles. I don't know, that's just really making me happy lately. I'm gonna fix that bow till it's the size that I like. I almost forgot to fussy cut out the little labels, so I did that. And I'm gonna glue the sentiment onto the top. Add a few little tiny staples just because I think that's a tea bag thing. And then I'm just gonna pop those up onto the featured panel here with some more foam tape. This is really a great way to have layers without a lot of bulk, so it's still gonna mail really easily. And then to finish everything off, I picked out some teal enamel dots just because it'll pull in that pattern paper color to the forefront of the card as well. Check out the description of this video or my blog for all the supplies used today. Thank you so much for joining me and creating with me. Be sure to like and subscribe to catch all my video tutorials. I hope to see you next time. Bye!